In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Evernote data, whether you've accidentally deleted an important note or simply want to bring back something you thought you no longer needed. Recovering your data in Evernote is a straightforward process. Let's walk through it together so you can retrieve your notes and continue with your work. To start, go ahead and open the Evernote application on your device. You can do this on your computer, smartphone, or tablet, as the interface remains quite similar across platforms. Make sure you are logged in to the correct account from which you wish to recover the data, as this is where your lost notes will be located. Once you have Evernote open, direct your attention to the sidebar. On most devices, you'll find this on the left side of the screen. The sidebar contains various options such as notes, notebooks, and tags that are essential for organizing your workspace. Scroll down in this sidebar until you find the section labeled Trash. The trash is where all deleted notes are temporarily stored, providing a safety net for retrieving lost data. Click on the Trash section. This will display a list of all notes you have deleted, sorted chronologically with the most recently deleted items at the top. Browsing through this list, you'll be able to locate the specific note or notes you wish to restore. Remember, these notes stay in your trash until you decide to permanently remove them, so as long as you haven't emptied the trash, your data is still recoverable. Once you've identified the note you're looking for, an easy way to bring it back is by right-clicking on the note. This action will open a context menu with several options. Look for and select the option that says Restore Note. By clicking this, the note is returned to your main notes list, just as it was before you deleted it. It will be placed in the last notebook it was stored in, allowing you to seamlessly pick up right where you left off. This simple and efficient process enables you to quickly recover your important Evernote data, providing peace of mind when managing your notes. Make sure you regularly check the contents of your trash folder to ensure no valuable information is lost permanently. Periodic review and organization of your digital notes can be essential to maintaining a streamlined workflow and ensuring ready access to your important documents and ideas. And there you have it, an easy way to restore any deleted notes in Evernote. I hope you found this video helpful and that your notes are now back where they belong. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to explore the other features Evernote has to offer for even more effective note-taking.